Hello guys, welcome to Ashok DevOps YouTube channel. Kubernetes is an open source system for automating deployment, scaling, and management of containerized applications. Let's understand with simple example. In the world of shipping, there are large cargo ships responsible for transporting numerous containers filled with goods. Similarly, in the context of Kubernetes, we can think of applications and their components as containers and the cluster of machines as a fleet of ships. Kubernetes acts as a container orchestration platform, serving as a captain of the fleet. Its primary role is to manage and coordinate the containers. Just as a captain manages the cargoes on a ship, Kubernetes has various controllers to operate containers in a different nodes, same as different offices in shipping cargo goods. Each Kubernetes node has again a captain named as kubelet to maintain containers on node. Kubernetes can grow planet scale, which helped Google to run billions of containers at scale using replica sets. It can automatically self-heal and update the container if the container fails. If application load increases, Kubernetes can scale horizontally or vertically to handle the traffic, which is used by famous streaming applications like GeoCricket and many others. Kubernetes progressively rolls out changes to your application or its configuration while monitoring the application health to ensure it doesn't kill all your instances at the same time. If something goes wrong, Kubernetes will roll back the changes for you using deployment features. Also, you can add features to your Kubernetes clusters without changing the upstream source code. This is the main reason it is loved by many organizations. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Ashok DevOps YouTube channel.